Starting with the recap of the previous lesson, those students who will be able to answer these questions, for those students, keep it up, very well done. And those students who will not able to answer these questions, I will guide you. Question number 1 is define condensation process. Question number 2, what is the relationship between temperature and vapor pressure? Answers. Answer to question number 1 is the molecules are in random motion and they collide with the liquid surface again and recaptured by the liquid surface molecules. This process is known as condensation. Answer to question number 2 is there is a direct relationship between temperature and vapor pressure. The objective for today's lesson is that students, you will be able to explain the relationship between temperature and rate of evaporation. Starting with the evaporation definition, conversion of a liquid to a gas or vapors at all temperatures but less than the boiling point of a liquid is called evaporation or vaporization. You can see from the figure that heat energy from the sun when approaches to the ocean surface, it rises up at water vapors to the atmosphere. Next is experimental verification. In evaporation, we have to examine the movement of molecules in liquid. The molecules of a liquid are not motionless. The energy of the molecules are not equally distributed. The molecules with low kinetic energy move slowly, while molecules with high kinetic energy move faster. This is clearly observed in an open container of ether, or you can say acetone. The volume of the liquid gradually decreases and finally no liquid is left behind. Evaporation. Evaporation is a cooling process. Evaporation is a lowering temperature process of liquid. Mostly, evaporation depends upon the following factors. Number 1 is surface area. Number 2 is temperature. Evaporation causes cooling. Reasons: when high energy molecules leave the liquid and low energy molecules left behind, the temperature of the liquid falls and heat moves from surrounding to liquid. As a result, temperature of the surrounding also decreases. Rate of evaporation. Higher the temperature, faster is the rate of evaporation and vice versa. This is because added heat increases the kinetic energy of the molecules. So here are some daily life examples of evaporation. Number 1, hot tea getting cold. Number 2, wet clothes drying in sun. Number 3, drying of wet hair. Number 4, drying of mopped floor. Number 5, evaporation of nail polish remover. Thank you.